Hey YouTube, what's going on? I just started getting into this whole keyboard modding scene and wanted to try out and compare a few keycap setups. We got the the HyperX double shot PBT keycap set that I just got today, and we got the existing keycaps that are on the K70. I believe it's the Rapidfire RGB keyboard. These have the gray silent linear switches. The F keys up top are the HyperX keycaps. Just comparing the sound between these, I have the QWER without the rubber O-rings, and all of the other keys that are on the keyboard right now have the O-rings on them already. It's just the start of my mods. I plan to use some super lube on all of the switches, plus I have some double-sided tape that I'm planning on putting on the stabilizers. I've seen some people on YouTube that are doing that for most of their keyboard setups, just to I guess it's in place of the 205 grade 0 lube that's out there that pretty much everyone's wanting, but because of high demand, it's kind of hard to find nowadays. But I guess we'll see how it goes.